I installed a aftermarket tpms sensor. This is I'll put the link in the description. So it shows air leakage, prevents tire bursts because it'll set an alarm, saves fuel, I guess, reduce wear. But the box it came with those, the 4 sensors. So this is how big it is. Mounted right here, so that would look cool. So I gotta hide the wire a little bit. And it does plug into your cigarette lighter. It does come with an adapter. If you just want to plug it straight in here and just have it chilling in there, you can do that. You just have that adapter for it. And this is how the actual, it looks kind of bulky, but this is how it looks. It's left fret. Just have a locking nut in the back of it. That way nobody steals it. Very easy to screw it in. And then it takes a while for it to actually light up. Another one right there. Paid around like 60 bucks for this one, for the external one. And that's how it looks. It's 42, 42, 45, 45. I do got a digital reader. So we'll see how accurate it is. So I'm gonna check the front left, which says 42 currently, which not too sure if that's really accurate. So let's check it. I'm gonna turn it off. So I ended up starting the car actually. I did change. So 25 psi and 42 on the right. So we're gonna make sure if that is true. So I'm gonna turn off the car. I'm just gonna hold this, twist this to the right, the nut on the back of it, right there. And you're able to unscrew this. Just twist this off. $26, not too bad. Check the other side now. Same thing. This one showed 42. We'll see if it does though. This one actually shows 20. I'm gonna go back, I'll put this on again, and we're gonna try to start the car. And see if it updates, because it's supposed to show you constantly. still shows 42. This one shows 25, which is just 1 psi off, which ain't too bad. Let's just see if it updates. Alright. Again, we are checking it. 20.5 shows 20 psi, so this was only 0.5 off, so not too bad. We'll go ahead and air it up. Hear it blinking in here. So I went in and I aired up this PSI on the front left to about 46 or 45-ish, so it's about 1 PSI off. As you can see, I guess it finally updated on the right side now. It's showing about 20 PSI, and I believe I had it preset to warn me at 25. So yeah, now it's blinking and it's showing right here. I believe that's just the low pressure, that little L blinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and air up that side. I want to check the tire pressure again, just to see what it was at. It's showing 20 PSI on the right front. Alright, so done airing it up. 44. It's pretty good. It's actually 1 PSI, like I said, about off, but it's so good. The rear, 45, 45, already know those are good. So this is day one with it. I'll keep tabs, see how accurate it is while I'm driving. See if it warns me, see if it shows it. Right now, I didn't even know my tires were low until I actually had to check it, because this didn't update me. Yep, shows also your battery voltage. Under here, there's settings. There's a left, right arrow, which is like down and up. Hold this down, it gets you into a menu screen, and that's when you'll be able to adjust your presets on these. But here it is. I'm not too sure the brand. It just says tpms. But here we go. Ended up taking them off. This is about like a week later, just because they do not update. You've seen in the videos how they weren't like updating quickly, and that's something I really needed. So I packed them and then shipped them back off to return them.